Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about how to form y equals to mx plus c. Alright? Okay, so before we proceed, I will explain. Okay, this is for the gradient. Okay? Alright, so formula for gradient is m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so this m is for the gradient. How about c? Okay, so c is for y-intercept. Okay, put here y-intercept. Okay, so let's say this is the y-axis, right? So let's say your graph cross like this. So let's say here is a 6. So your y-intercept is 6. Alright? Okay, come. We proceed with the first question, yeah? Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so let's say, alright, I give you, okay, you have coordinate, right? You have the coordinate 0, 7, right? And you already know your gradient here is m equals to 3. So our formula here is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, m equals to 3. Okay, so now we put m value first. So m equals to 3x plus, okay, c. Okay, so c is for the y, correct? So here, correct? So you put 7. Okay, let's say you don't want to use here. Okay, I'll show you. Put c. Same thing. So substitute the value for x and y. So this one is for x and here is for y. Okay, so now your y is 7, 3, and your x is 0 plus c. So now here is 0, right? Okay, so your c is 7. Okay, if you already know about this, so you can straight away put here, replace your c is 7. So this is the equation for coordinate 0, 7 and gradient equals to 3. Okay, next one. Let's say, okay, your coordinate is 0, 5 and your m equals to -1. Alright, so now, okay, so y equals mx plus c. Alright, so replace first your m. So y equals to -x because 1, right? So plus c. Okay, we know here the x is 0, so your y is 5. So definitely here is 5. Easy, right? Okay, next. I give you coordinate 0, -9 and your gradient equals to 2. So y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so now gradient is 2. Okay, y equals to 2x. Okay, so here is -9. Because your value here x is 0, so definitely your c is -9. Alright? Okay, now next. Okay, let's say your coordinate here is 6, 0. Alright? So your gradient here equals to 1 over 2. Okay, y equals to mx plus c. So substitute the m value first. 1 over 2 x plus c. Okay, now substitute the coordinate inside the equation. So your y is 0. 1 over 2 multiplied with 6, because the value for x is 6, plus c. Okay, so that means here is 3, correct? Okay, 3 plus 6. So your c equals to negative 3. Why negative 3? Okay, because here is a positive. Once you bring to different sides is opposite. Positive, opposite for positive is negative. So now your equation is y equals to 1 over 2 x minus 3. Okay, easy. Now one more. Okay, now you don't have gradient. Okay, let's say I give you 2 coordinates. You have 2 and 1, and you have 4 coordinate 4 and 5. Okay, so what is the formula for find gradient? So m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's say you can put here, this is number 1 and this is number 2. So y2 here, because this is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. Okay, so y2 is 5, y1 is 1 over x2 is 4 minus 2. So you will have your gradient here is 4 over 2. That means is what? Equals to 2. Okay, now we already know our gradient. So y equals to 2x plus c. Okay, so now we want to find our c. You can choose either you want to take coordinate 2 and 1 or 4 and 5. Okay, so okay, I take 2 and 1. So our y is 1, our value x is 2 plus c. So here equals to 4 plus c. Okay, your c now. Okay, so this is a positive 4, opposite for positive is negative. So 1 minus 4 equals to c. So definitely your c is negative 3. Okay, so now substitute inside the equation. So y equals to 2x minus 3. Okay, simple, right? Okay, so now last one. Okay, so I'll give you coordinate 3 and 3, 3 and negative 3. Okay, and one more coordinate 9 and negative 1. Alright? Okay, wait, negative 1. Okay, so you can put here, this is number 1 and this is number 2. So here is x and here is y, here is x and here is y. Alright, what is the formula for gradient? So m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, so y2 is negative 1 minus y1. So y1 is negative 3. Always put bracket, yeah. So now x2 9 minus 3. So you will have here your gradient. Okay, so negative is positive, right? So negative 1 plus 3. So that means we have 2, correct? 2. So 9 minus 3 we have 6. So that means here is 1 over 3. Your gradient now is 1 over 3. Okay, so now, okay, put inside the equation. So y equals to gradient 1 over 3, 1 over 3 x plus c. Now we want to find our c. Okay, right. So now substitute any coordinate you want to take. Either you want to take the first one or the second one. Okay, so I put first coordinate here, right? So your y is negative 3. So x value is 3 plus c. Okay, so finish here. So negative 3 equals to 1 plus c. So here, this is a positive 1. Opposite positive will be negative. Alright. So here is negative 4 over c. Okay, your equation now is y equals to 1 over 3 x. Okay, your c, negative 4. Alright, easy. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you for the next video, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.